I'd like to do a quick demo showing how to use the basic effect and assigning waveforms to channels. And to do this, I'm going to do a sort of a ballyhoo type movement using this ADJ focus spot. So the first thing I'm going to do is get an idea of the range of motion I want to use. So from the channels view, I've got the ADJ focus spot selected, and I'm going to move the tilt up and down and see that I want it to be pointing towards me. So I'm going to run the effect between like 0 and 130. That's like halfway up. For the pan, I'm going to start over here about 120, and I'm going to run it all the way over to 220, and that way it's going to stay within the range pointing in this direction. So let's go to the effect, go to basic effect, and I'm going to assign the random ramp wave to pan and random ramp to tilt. I chose ramp rather than just the random waves so that I can get a kind of a smooth transition between the random positions that it's going to use. So for tilt, grab the top of the range slider, that little blue stripe down the side here, and I'm going to pull the top of it down to, you can just get it close, it doesn't have to be exact, around 130. The bottom, I'm going to pull the bottom range of the tilt up to around 120 or so, and I'm going to pull the top range down to around 220. So let's run the effect and speed it up, and you can see I'm getting random positions in the general area of there I set the range sliders. And that's it, it's pretty simple. And if you like, you could even assign random waves to things like the color and gobos or whatever other features that are on the particular moving head that you've got.